I need your input on common SubZero refrigerator problems.
It is a problem if any fridge that expensive has a problem.
That's why I want advice on how to deal with the SubZero fridge problems myself, instead of paying for service.
Their freeze or defrost heaters are loud, with the manual even warning you that you may hear crackling and sizzling while it runs.
It is not necessarily the noise of the defrost, but the fact that it may be shutting off at random or not working at all.
If it is not working at all, make sure you did not blow a literal fuse.
I've already checked that, and it does not explain the intermittent failures.
If the power breaker is right, then make sure someone did not mess with the fridge and freezer controls.
I'd love to be able to blame this on the kids, but I cannot.
If the fridge is in defrost mode, you won't hear the condenser and you may need to wait half an hour after defrost mode before the condenser kicks in.
What if it just is not cooling well?
Clean the condenser and make sure there is enough airflow around the coils that it can actually vent away waste heat.
I can check that, but I do not think the fridge is overheating to the problem it shuts down.
SubZero fridges are so advanced that you can connect them to your alarm system, but if you connect it to a switch line power source, you can blow things up.
I know a lot of people like having smart home technology, but the last thing I need is dealing with spam on my fridge before I've had coffee and want to make some bacon.
The security system connection is more often used with the wine fridges than the normal fridge.
Oh good, because I do not think even my diet coach is that fanatic.
It is more a matter of being notified when you are not home that the teenagers opened the wine fridge.
And I thought it was annoying when they opened the fridge and the door alarm went off.
If the start relay is failing, the compressor itself won't go off, won't start.
That would explain why it is not running the compressor.
That's a different problem.
That's not an all too common problem, though one of the most common problems is when it stops cooling. Because the auto defrost doesn't remove ice from the fan blades to the point they literally freeze.
A fridge not cooling because parts are literally frozen is definitely a different problem.